Today at Quickfix Mobile, we've got an iPad Air 7th generation with the M3 chip in for a charging port replacement. Let's walk through how to safely open the new 2025 model. First, place the iPad on a heating platform at around 90 degrees for 2 to 3 minutes to soften the adhesive. Once it's warmed up, gently insert a display opening tool along the edge. You can add a small amount of isopropyl alcohol to help loosen the adhesive if needed. Next, slide a prying card around the edges, taking your time. Make sure you don't go too deep to avoid damaging any internal components. When the adhesive starts to give, slowly lift the display. Keep in mind, the display flex cable is on the right side, so be careful here. Open it up gently, disconnect battery. Then remove the screws holding down the display brackets. After that, disconnect the display and touch connectors. And that's it, the iPad is now open and ready for the repair. Now you can replace the charging port.